Good morning, friends. I'm Saji George, Assistant Professor at Rajagiri Center for Business Studies. Today I'm making this video in order to give you an idea on how to register on Peregrine Academic Center Business School resource. So I will tell you the details. Before that, I'll share the screen with you. Welcome to the Business School Resource Center. That's the first slide that you will see. You will have to register here online so that you get all the information, especially the latest updates with regard to the caselets provided by Business School Resource Center. Most of the Bloomberg articles are available at Business School Resource Center there. So it's important that you all register yourself there, that you get all the information. So the first step, it is a very simple step-by-step process. The document I will share with you. First step is to get into the URL bscperegrineacademics.com. The second step is to select student option to register, and then move on. So these three logins will be available. So you select the first login, and then move to the third step. There you will have to take the first step, wherein you will be continuing as a new registration. And second time when you log in after the registration, it is I am returning, that will be shown there. So there login is possible. So first time when you are entering the details, it should be I am new, and then give continue. Once when you give continue, you move on to the fourth step, wherein you go to give the registration code. Registration code is given very clearly here, BSc RCB 393. Only once when you provide the registration code, you will be allowed to proceed. Once when you give that, you will be permitted to continue. After that, sixth step is to give the details with regard to your name, last name, and all that, and submit it. Then you move on to the seventh step, where you will have to verify your email address. So you will receive an email address to your Rajagiri mail ID, and then from there you will have to move on to the eighth step. If you don't find your mail, verification mail in your primary mail, you may also check your spam or junk mail, because sometimes you may not even receive this. So please make sure that you get it in spam or junk mail, then also you should be able to verify it. After the account verification, move on to the eighth step. Then to ninth step, you will subsequently be directed to Business School Resource Center login page. There your email ID and password which you have created should be given, and then you are ready for exploring the possibilities at Business School Resource Center. So all the teachers hereafter, I'm sure, will be using some caselets from Bloomberg Resource Center. So all these articles are up to date. So these caselets are very useful for business school students. So I would request, whenever teachers, I'm sure that most of the teachers, when they have prepared the course plan, they have included some of these Bloomberg articles. To get access to this article, you will have to register yourself here. This is not just available online. You will have to register here, and once when you have registered, only you will get access to the caselets. So when they tell you the date as well as the details of the case, you just explore it there in Business Resource Center, and you get the details there. So wishing you all the best to explore maximum from Peregrine Academics Business School Resource Center. So wish you good luck, and if you are unable to register, please get back to me at saji@rajagiri.edu. Send a mail, I will definitely help you, or you can also call me. Once again, wishing you all the best. Stay safe. Thank you.